Want to become a successful Forex trader? Embark on your journey with Traders Lessons. We're a dedicated company offering tailor-made educational packages to help guide your Forex trading journey. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader looking to upskill, Traders Lessons is your ultimate guide to mastering the art of Forex trading. This Black Friday, we're bringing you the best deals to kickstart or enhance your Forex trading journey. First up, we have the private lesson package, available for just $39. This package offers a focused, one-on-one experience with a seasoned Forex professional. Next, we have the regular subscription for $149, which includes personalized sessions with a professional trainer twice a week. Imagine having a seasoned pro guiding you, helping you navigate the intricate world of Forex trading. And finally, for those who crave the ultimate trading experience, we have the VIP subscription. For $299, you'll have a trainer available any working day from 8 in the morning to 5 in the evening, Greenwich Mean Time. Each package is designed to cater to your unique needs, ensuring you get the most out of your Forex trading journey. Don't let this opportunity slip by. Seize the Black Friday deals and elevate your Forex trading skills. This is a golden chance to get a private lesson for just $39. Or why not consider the regular subscription? At just $149, it includes 2 one-on-one sessions each week with a professional trainer. That's priceless value for money. And if you're ready to go all in, the VIP subscription is your perfect match. At $299, you'll have a trainer available any working day from 8 in the morning till 5 in the evening, Greenwich Mean Time. Act now. Take advantage of these Black Friday deals and start making your Forex trading dreams a reality by subscribing for one of our promotional packages on our website.